Time now for JB Retire Wiser. I'm here with Joel Johnson, managing partner at Johnson Brunetti. Now, when required minimum distributions or RMDs hit your bank account, you can use the cash whatever way you choose. So how can you put your RMDs to good use? This is a really useful conversation. How do we do that, Joel?
Yeah, and it's interesting because most of our clients are great savers and they end up getting to the point where they have to take these required minimum distributions and they don't really need those distributions. So they're kind of thinking, well, what do I do now? You can cover your living expenses if you haven't quite saved enough. They come in handy, or maybe pay off some debt. You can actually do that for other people too. So you can help out other people if you want to and so on, but you're going to have to take these distributions.
Okay, is there an investment opportunity here?
Yeah, you could reinvest the after-tax money and continue for growth. Maybe you want longevity insurance, so you make sure you don't run out of money, and you can certainly reinvest that money. And maybe now, if you didn't really need that money in the first place, a pretty good chance you might not need it in the future. So maybe you want to get a little more aggressive on those investments.
Okay, what about higher education? Those costs are always climbing.
Yeah, one of the neat things is we can help out kids and grandkids for college, and it's not considered a gift from a gift tax standpoint. So you could take those RMDs and use it to fund a grandchild's college education, which is a big deal these days because college costs are so darn high.
Especially right here where we live. All right, so Joel, you brought a free book. Tell us about it.
Yeah, we've got a booklet we've put together called Understanding RMDs. And what's great about this is it gives you a real quick lowdown in simple, plain English on what you need to do about your RMDs, your required minimum distributions, and how to best use them.
All right, it is a big topic, and this book is free. Get it today. Go to jbretirewiser.com. That's jbretirewiser.com. Get that free book now at jbretirewiser.com.